What you got? What is that?
No.
Is it a nose ring?
No.
There you go.
Is that Gigi's wedding ring?
No.
Is that my wedding ring? Your wedding ring? Oh, don't lose the wedding ring. Yeah. Can I have my wedding ring back? Sophie. Yes. Can I have my wedding ring back? Can I have my wedding ring back? Can Gigi have her wedding ring back?
No.
Why not? You're not giving it back.
Yes.
Sophie. That's an expensive ring. Can I have it back? Don't eat it. Don't eat the wedding ring. Come here. Come here. No, you gotta give me back my wedding ring.
No.
No. Can I have it back?
Mine.
It's yours. No, it's mine.
No.
Yes, it's mine. Give it back to Gigi.
No. Cat.
What are you gonna do with my wedding ring?
Cat. Cat.
Yes, it's a cat. But I still... Meow. Can I have my wedding ring back, please? No? Okay.
Yeah.
Can I have it back now?
Yeah.
How about now?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna get that ring back. I'm gonna get that ring back. Oh, come here.